In today's video, we'll see how to load and unload items using a list. First, drag and drop the source in two queues. Align that, then add an operator and connect the source to the queue to generate boxes and configure it. Now, we'll go to the process flow, add the event-triggered source, and push to list. In the event-triggered source, configure it to create a token when the item is entering that queue. Next, add a list and connect the push to list with that. In the source, assign the entering item as item, and in the push to list, change the push value to token.item as we are pushing the boxes into the list. Then, add a scheduled source and add a pull from list. Connect it to the list. Drag and drop the resource, add acquire resource, and connect it to the resource. Then, drag and drop release resource. Add a run subflow, then add a load activity. Add start and finish for the run subflow. In the pull from list, we can specify how many quantities are required for us to load and unload. We can specify it in the request and require number, and we assign it to token.pulled. Now, in the resource, add the operator. In the quantity, change it to token.pulled.length. Add a label rank. In the load activity, change the to token.resource. For the item, change it to token.pulled, and in the brackets, add token.rank. Repeat the same for the unload activity run subflow, and in the unload station, specify the other queue. Now, run the model. You'll see the operator is loading and unloading the boxes. He is carrying one box because we specified the request number as 1. Let's try changing that. First, open the operator properties and change the operator capacity so we can adjust the request number. Now, change the request and require number to 4 and run the model. You'll see the operator now carries 4 items and unloads them. We can play around with this based on the requirement. Thank you for watching.